Yes.
It grew. Oh, how will the teeth grow? Hi.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am good. How have you been?
I was okay. I did not know it was my sessions with you, and now I'm very happy.
Oh, I
Hi.
think you took a break in between, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Me too.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
This is your son, no? I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also fine.
I like your t-shirt. From where did you get it?
I don't know.
But it's your t-shirt, no? How do you know? Don't know. From where you
He
got it?
doesn't like to shopping, so he's all shopping.
Restaurant. You got from a restaurant, library, cinema hall, shoe shop, then dentist, doctor.
we are going to doctor only.
Why? What happened?
Oh, his vaccine. Okay, you can go now.
Oh,
Yeah. And say,
you tell me, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm also fine. I'm very fine. I'm going to be on Clapping over some time. Only on weekends though, for 4 hours.
It's quite expensive, so yeah, that's why I have to quit.
I had
And
to, not I have.
yeah, I had to.
Hmm.
I have to now. I have only 2 sessions. This one and
Oh,
the other one. Yeah. Now they updated the Clappingo app, so we can ask tutors if they are free or not.
we can message.
But
We can message.
there is also a problem. The tutor can't tell on which time he is free, right?
No, tutor
He
can.
or
For
she.
example, if you ask me, Ahmed, when are you available? I'll tell you like that.
But there is only one message I can send. Time and date. That's it.
Acha, like that. I don't know. I've not used the messaging option. But then, yeah.
I messaged you. That's why I'm asking.
You messaged me?
Yeah, it's expired now.
I saw your message.
Yeah, so we have to tell the time and date. So I think you only response on that the
No, see,
request
first you
allow or
messaged
no.
me on the 14th of October. Then
Yeah.
you messaged me on 21st. I started from 24th.
Okay.
I started from 24th.
No, I'm asking you can't reply on what time you can be
You can
available.
only accept.
Yes, that's what.
So now I don't know how many sessions. You said you've got one more session left. So in case you plan to rejoin, I'm telling you right now, I am going to be available on weekends, definitely.
Okay, fine.
And around this time,
Okay,
I'm definitely going to be available.
fine.
So don't worry about that.
So, what is the topic?
The topic is never have I ever. It's actually a game.
Oh, okay.
Have you played this game? Never have I ever.
No.
So I'll tell you what actually it is. Never have I ever actually a drinking game.
Drinking? Okay.
So the concept is, let's say you and I are like, we've got 5 or 7, 8 to 9, 10 friends, and all of us would obviously have a drink with us. And I will say, one person will say, never have I ever done something like that, like that, like that. For example, let's say, never have I ever uh, stolen something.
Okay.
So if you have done that thing, you have to take a sip of your drink, whatever that.
Okay.
So people play this game typically to get drunk.
So it's not for me.
So people who don't drink, they will drink water.
Okay.
So I have never played this game. But yeah, that's how the game works. But if you're amongst your friends, we just want to have fun, you can still play this game without any alcohol.
I'll definitely try.
So this is never have I ever had an imaginary friend that I talked to.
Okay.
So
Imaginary
now you can.
friend.
So children, when they are very young, sometimes have imaginary friends, which don't exist in reality. Obviously, imaginary.
I would not say, I can't say that it's imaginary, it's true or not, but I have friend. Like I used to talk
Imaginary.
to God.
No, that's not imaginary then.
So that's why it's not in, yeah. But
God को imaginary
we
बोलना would
can't
not be
see
right.
or hear, right? We just talk.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Never have I ever ridden a two-wheeler.
Two-wheeler, I did. I do.
Very good. Taken a train or a plane. I don't sat in a train or plane.
Yeah, I did.
I have.
I have. Okay.
Taken an auto.
I have.
Got in a physical fight with a sibling or in school. Fought like fight, like actually fight. Not talking, but actually fight. Physical fight.
Yeah, with sibling we do.
You do,
Fight.
still do.
Yeah.
You still fight with your siblings,
No,
physical fights?
no. I used to.
That's normal. Got caught or had a family member caught by the police.
No.
Stolen something.
Not really. But yeah,
Not
from
really.
fields we used to stole
Steal.
Rajasthani fruits.
Then you have stolen something.
Yeah.
Okay. Been in an accident.
No.
Broken a bone, tooth, or been severely injured.
Yeah, one tooth. It's
Yeah.
blue now.
It's blue.
Yes.
It grew. Huh. How will the teeth grow? How will the tooth grow?
I don't know.
Your tooth must have come out and then a new tooth must have come. Bunk the class.
Never.
Serious?
I missed classes, but I didn't bunk.
You never bunked a class? Wow.
I didn't went to college. Go to
I didn't
college.
go to college. Huh?
Yes.
ऐसा कैसा?
Private.
Oh. Nice.
My mom and dad used to stay in Nepal.
Huh?
So my mom forced me to stay with her.
That's it. We are done with the questions for this topic.
That's it.
It's very small, short, very less questions. Okay, I'll ask you a few questions.
Okay.
Never have I ever broken a traffic rule.
I do. I don't have a Nepali license right now. So I travel, I ride my scooty without Nepali license. I have Indian
Oh.
license, but they don't allow.
Nice. I'll be honest with you.
Okay.
On a very regular basis, I break traffic rules. Very regular basis. So I'll tell you which traffic rules I break. I jump traffic signals.
No,
Uh,
this is not good.
no, I'll tell you when I jump traffic signals. I jump traffic signals when the intersection is empty. Obviously, when there is no traffic police. Then
But
if I
there
know
has to be
that
CCTV cameras now.
no, when there are no CCTV cameras, correct? So multiple reasons. When there are no CCTV cameras, when there are no traffic police, when the intersection is empty, and when I know that me jumping the signal is not going to harm or disturb anyone. That's when I break
Okay.
traffic signals. Jump traffic signals. Sometimes when the road is empty, I drive fast. But when the road is empty and when there's less traffic, so I drive fast. And I know and I have control over my driving. I don't drive fast just for the sake of driving fast. I drive fast and I know I'm in control like that.
Okay.
And when else? On the rarest occasions, I've sometimes driven without the seat belt. But then on the rarest occasions, as soon as I remember, I buckle up. Mm, and if I'm riding in my locality from like for like very short distances and I know I'm going to ride slow, I sometimes don't wear the helmet. But if I'm driving, if I'm riding to work or I know I'm going to not be riding in the locality, I always wear a helmet.
It happened
Which
with me.
obviously
I was
all of these are
wearing
traffic.
a helmet and in my village. So my uncle was saying that why are you wearing helmet? There is no police in
Not
our
helmet,
village.
helmet.
Helmet. So I was like, helmet is not for police, it's for me.
True.
So
This is
I
absolutely true.
always wear helmet.
No, honestly, I know wearing helmet is correct, but sometimes I don't. And I know all the things I've just told you are obviously they're traffic violations. I know it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I've done these things.
We
I've done
do
these
wrong things. You did paragliding?
I want to do paragliding. I've done parasailing.
Me done
I've
both.
done parasailing. I've done waterfall rappelling. Uh, I have done whitewater rafting. It was very boring because the water speed was very low. I want to do
Would
bungee
you
jumping.
try skydiving? You are also an adventurous person, right?
I want to do bungee jumping. I'll
I
get
have
scared.
these
Obviously, I'll get
two
scared.
in my bucket list: bungee jumping and skydiving.
I'll get scared, but I'll do it.
Yeah.
Uh, what else? What else? And the one thing which I really want to do over all of these things is scuba diving.
Oh, scuba diving.
Like, if given an option to do all these things and scuba diving, I have to choose. I would prefer scuba diving because um, the calmness, the silence in the water, now will be absolutely amazing.
Right, but I would not because I think I have asthma. What it
You
called
have
in
asthma, or you think you have asthma? It's asthma, by the
I'm
way. So the
allergic
correct
to a
pronunciation is
cold
asthma.
and so many things. So
You can't be allergic to cold. You could be allergic to things because of which you could get a cold.
in winters, uh, I've I can't breathe sometimes
Oh, you
properly.
feel breathless.
Yes.
That's a concern. That is definitely a concern. I'm going to give you feedback, Sonia. Sonia, you always speak very well. I've always told this to you. Today, honestly, I found very few places where I could pick your mistakes. It's very good. It simply means that you have improved a lot.
Thank you.
Do you have done something with your hair? I wanted to ask from the beginning. You have done something with your hair? You're looking different.
Nothing.
You let your hair grow long or you did something?
Yeah, maybe.
That's why you're looking different.
I am having very bad hair fall. So you have good hair. Just suggest me something.
Not having, I have. You can say my hair are falling. No, but I don't say hair are falling. But long hair, they fall. My hair also, because I'm slightly long, I experience more hair fall. Short hair, we have less hair fall because they get less entangled, no? Short hair.
But maybe there is no regrowth.
नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है.
I have
ऐसा नहीं होगा.
same hair.
हाँ.